Hello, this is Karen Grace Martin of the Analysis Factor, and this is the first video in the Calculating Power and Sample Size workshop. So this workshop consists of 5 video trainings. In the first one, I'm going to spend a bit of time going over the concepts, many of which I'm sure are familiar to you, but I want to go through them in nitty-gritty details. And these are the details that often get glossed over in statistics courses. Or maybe even if you got those details the first time through, they probably did not make as much sense as they will now that you have some more research experience or data experience. And then in the second video, I'm going to show you some equations to see specifically the relationship between power and sample size in a variety of statistical tests. And we'll talk about that conceptually. In part 3, we're going to talk about the 5 pieces of information you need to do any sample size calculation, where to get those pieces of information, and then what to do with them. So what are the steps to actually do the calculations? That's what video 3 is all about. And then in the fourth video, we're going to talk a little bit theoretically, philosophically, about a few issues in power analysis. So we're going to talk about prospective and post hoc power analyses, so whether you're doing them before you've collected the data or after you've done an analysis. And we'll talk a bit about standardized effect sizes, small, medium, large effect sizes, different measures of effect size, and how those fit into sample size estimates. And then in the last video, I have a number of examples, and we're going to go through those in different software programs. So these are the concepts we're going to start with in this video. We're going to go way back to hypothesis testing. What is a hypothesis test? What are type 1 and type 2 errors? And how power relates to all these things. And we're going to do all this, as I said, in nitty-gritty detail to make sure you really understand it on an intuitive level.